Okay, so with your tripod leg, sometimes on accident, you may unscrew it too far. You only need a half a turn, but if you do too much, then your leg will fall out. When it falls out, or if it falls out, here's what you're going to see. There's this shim right here, and these little square spots fit into here. Now, if this has come off, there's inside here, there's a little black piece. And this little black piece, sometimes if everything comes out and is kind of rolling around on the ground, this little black piece may have come out. So I'm gonna see if I can get it out. Okay, so this is what the piece looks like. It has a little cut in it. Sometimes people get nervous if this has come out and it looks like it's broken. Sometimes the cut is even at an angle. This is the way it's supposed to be. So if your part is open like this, you don't need to worry. That helps it basically. So when we look at this, we've got one side that's thicker and one side that's thinner. So along the rim of the thick side, there's a little groove in here, and that's where this piece is going to fit. So you're going to need to gently compress it as you slide it in, super gently, because these are, they're kind of, it's a little bit tricky to get it in there. And then you wiggle it around, and it might take you a couple of tries, but then when you get it in, it should be able to spin within that groove like that. So once you've got that part back installed, what you want to do next is you want to slide it onto the leg first, with this larger piece facing down. As you can see, each of these other legs, they've got the large piece facing down. This is what's going to hold the leg in. Then you place the shims back in, make sure your little squares line up. It might be helpful to do the first one, and you kind of have to feel it click in. Then we stick it in here, and you may need to rotate it a little bit to get it in. There's a little section down this channel, and so you kind of find where that is, you slide it in, and we slide the little ring up, lock it, and then if we do our half turn, it should be able to go in and out like that, and then you can lock it back into place.